OPS Australia provide monitoring and control products to rural primary producers. We offer monitoring services and control services, so we can monitor the water levels in tanks, we can tell if a tank has a leak, and we can control pumps. We can turn pumps on and off through the remote control. We integrate the monitoring and the control together, so if tank full, turn pump off. And what this does is this saves a lot of driving and provides a terrific service to rural customers. Having an OPS Australia monitoring system means that if you do have an issue, often you can fix that issue remotely from your phone. Also, knowing where your issue is and what the issue is means that you can drive straight to that tank or that pump and you can fix that issue straight away. OPS Australia is based in Longreach in Western Queensland. We develop our systems and we support our systems using local resources which we employ and we train.